Yo, what's up fam? It's your boy here Malik, and today we're diving into the biggest African party in India, AfroVibes. I got someone special who's gonna take us behind the scene of this crazy event. We're talking about challenges, we're talking about how it really feels to make this happen. And if you are in India and you love Afro vibes, you love African culture, you love African tradition, that's for you. Before we go, hit this like and subscribe to the channel, and let's dive into the main video with my boys.
My name is David Castro. I am the administrator in AfroVibes.
Hello, my name is Ariel Enoch. I'm the one in charge of finance in AfroVibes.
Hello, my name is Willerson Nair. I'm in charge of the marketing area on AfroVibes.
How did AfroVibes even started? Like, what inspired you all to bring this party to India?
Yeah, the truth is that we're planning to do something like we saw that the environment here is a bit boring, you know.
Yeah.
So, but if you see most of the parties, if you go some parties because you know someone there, and all the people are meeting the same people every time, and we wanted something different, and for that we decided to join also different people like this guy. That's why you can see we are from different countries, and we wanted to create an environment.
By the way, we even forget like the countries. Like, where are you from, bro? You didn't tell that, you know.
I'm from
Sorry to cut you off, yeah.
I'm from Mozambique.
All right.
Yeah, I'm from Angola,
Yes.
I'm from Côte d'Ivoire.
and for this reason, we just decided, okay, let's create something. And no, you don't need to know no one, just go to the party, but not the same country. That's why it's Afro vibes. It seems that it's only for African, but it's not. Yeah, but the Afro vibe is it's nice. The vibe, the name, yeah, it sounds good, but
it's not just a party.
yeah,
it's an
and it's not a
experience.
party, it's an experience. When you used to say,
So it's like even if me, I'm from, let's say I'm from India and I want to come to this party, like I can come like definitely. Yeah?
you can come, and for this new edition of we had people from India.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we got few people from India, and that I think that was nice because this is the idea, bro. The idea is to mix everyone. We wanna have different people. We wanna see different kind of vibes. There is also something fun. I will not mention the country, but there are some people, and there is also some point we need to highlight, where everyone can listen to its own sound at some moment of the party. There are some countries. The sound is so slow, and they asked us to put the sound, and they were seated, and we seated to listen their sound. You know, this is the thing.
Yeah,
We
so
wanna see different vibes.
Because that is the thing. When we plan the party and we have a list of all the people who are coming to the party, and we have a list. So we need to see each country that is there, and we need to search about the music's trendings, what type of music they listen to, and we can even ask them what they would like to listen on the parties. And then we try to include every type of music in the party, so they can even feel everything.
All right. Like, if I understand well, it's like Afro vibes. The main goal that inspired you all to bring this in India here is like to join people, to mix cultures, not only Africans but like everyone, like all the international students in India right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Bro, I'm not putting together an event like this and easy, you know. What are some of the biggest challenges that you faced while organizing this? Because I've been to a lot of parties, and even for the music, let's say someone from Nigeria wants to play this music, someone from South Africa wants to play this. So it's not easy. What are some of the biggest challenges that you faced while organizing this AfroVibes, bro?
Yeah, it's also one problem, but it's not the biggest deal we have because, as we already said, like for this question about music, we have a list of the guests, and from that list we can manage a little bit the situation, right? And if someone also we have a group with the guests, and they can send their suggestions there during the party, and through that we can play what people want, and according to the people, the reactions of the people during the party, we will play the music, you know. But the biggest problem is before, during the party we all have problems, right? But before, bro, we need to sell tickets because we need the money from the tickets, like to buy the things here. Because it's different from our country, you know. In our countries, we can get a sponsorship, sponsors to buy the things before or do something in advance. But here, we don't have this opportunity like that. We need to like work hard to sell the tickets, and it's not easy because some people they think like this party is something like a craze. There is no organization. They are gonna see people drunk is something bad, and to convince people that it's not like that, we are just it's also something cultural. Of course, people that is free, but this is some challenge we face. At least in my point of view,
All right.
I think he has things to share.
All right.
Uh, the thing is here, people are too picky. They are not ready to spend money. Yes, I remember for the first edition, we came to people, we taught them tickets 2,000.
Yeah.
For in the 2,000, we are providing everything. A 24 hours party. You are not during the party. You are not buying anything. We will provide your transport, the food, the drinks, good vibes for 24 hours. The people are nah, it's too much.
And
But
also you get opportunities to meet new people, you know.
yes.
Yeah. All right.
For the boys, yes. Let me talk about that part. For the boys, yes, AfroVibes is a good opportunity for you to meet new girls. You see, the next edition.
Continue with the challenges, do you not?
No, wait, I have to tell them. You see, this new batch, there are some good girls, so try to buy your ticket for the next edition. You will meet them. It will be good for you. Okay. Now let me continue. Yes, like you said before, it's very difficult to buy the things because here we have to buy everything in advance. When we are coming to the people and we are telling them no, buy the tickets, and they don't want, we are doing the big expense with our money. Like to book the venue, we are doing with our money. We are buying the drinks with our money. To book the transport, it's with our own money we are doing it. So this is
So like
the
that's
difficulties we are facing.
that's like one of the most biggest challenges that you face. So maybe I know some people like diplomats are watching my videos. Maybe they're gonna sponsor yeah, but all right. I had respect for pulling this, bro. I need to say congratulations to your boys to make this big party like in India. Even after these challenges, you are still here, like showing up every year, like twice in the year. Yeah. Now I just wanna know what makes AfroVibes different from any other party in India.
Good question. What makes AfroVibes different from other parties? I don't know. I think just the fact that we have all countries from Africa, and we also include Indians in the party.
Yeah, that's the big point, you know.
That's the big point, I guess.
All right.
Yeah.
Jabos have anything to add?
And more, like I think it's hard, at least here in India, right? In India, no, I can't say in India, but at least in Vizag, we already took like the proof that there is no like better part than our part, being like humble. Because okay, some people try to do something similar, but it's impossible because the way we organize it. See, we organize in some party, but we have even departments like we are organized completely. Some people try like to, of course, they try to fight during the party, but it wasn't possible. Nothing like that happened because you don't know, people don't know, but when we are during the party, we all we have collaborators, and these collaborators and organizers. Okay, we are there. Seems like we are just chilling.
All collaborators.
yeah. Seems we are chilling, but no. The collaborators they receive the instruction. Okay, bro, you guys, you stay this side. If something happens, some noise, you just stop that and try to get the people calm and stuff. See, we are paying attention in every detail. You know. Everything we are paying attention. We are providing food during 24 hours, drinks during 24 hours, of course, but with control. We know this guy is drunk. Okay, let's stop. Pay attention to him. And I think it's hard to find some. And at the end, it could be like, okay, we already took the money, we did the party, and we don't care about them. But it's not like that. We make sure that everyone is safe, up to the place, destination. We have destination, of course, from the place because it's far from the city because of the noise, right? and I think a lot of details make our part different from others.
All right. If you didn't like the video, that's a moment. Hit dislike, subscribe to the channel, and watch to the end because we're gonna tell something very important for the new people and also for the previous people like who used to come, who showed up to the previous Afro Vibes. What can you tell them? What are the news that you guys got this time for them? Like, what's something new for them this time? And that can be interesting also for the new people who want to come back. They just like, okay, it's just a party. We're just gonna dance, drink. What are the new things that you brought this time for this edition or for the next edition? I mean,
Uh, well, every party of AfroVibes as a team has a different environment. The same one, the first one we did, I think it was Wakanda Forever, and the previous one, the second edition, we did the all-white party for the Happy New Year, Happy New Year's Eve. And this one, we are doing a fantasy one. So if you want to come, you just need to prepare your fantasy. You can take from your Halloween fantasy if you want to. You can bring it. You're gonna have fun. We're gonna have some colors, drinks, food, good vibes, and everything. And we didn't announce the date and the price yet, but we're gonna announce it soon. And you can just wait. It will be fun.
so it's like you guys got something like new. Like every edition, you have something new. Every edition, you have
is a new
something new.
thing.
All right, that's very nice. We can't end the video without asking you this question, bro. That's about the vision of Afro Vibes. You know what I'm saying? It's like, where do you see Afro Vibes in the next years, like the next coming years? Because I know we all are students here, but before we go back home, or like, do you plan to keep this heritage here for African people? So the juniors also who will come next year, years to come, like they're gonna enjoy this party. And also the last thing is like, you expect to expand Afro Vibes beyond Vizag, like maybe Afro Vibes Mumbai edition, Goa version, Gujarat edition, stuff like that. Yeah, that's the two last question that I got for you guys.
Yeah, the truth is that we are five.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are five. To be honest, we are five. We didn't think about like outside Vizag,
Alright.
something like that. But to keep it like we said, let's make a culture or tradition. You know, we said, okay, bro, we know or you know, guys. If you don't know, let me tell you. I'm in third year and then second year right now, right? And the planning is, and we had people who already left,
Alright.
was part of the organization, and he was not. Yeah, and when they left, he and someone else joined it. Okay, the idea is to keep like that.
Yeah, so the
When
tradition will
I
stay.
when I leave, yeah,
Yeah.
when I leave, but of course it's not for free. It's not free cost because we paid for that, like to build this brand. You know, AfroVibe is the brand now. When we are talking about AfroVibe since the first edition, people already know if AfroVibe is there, something good is there. They already know. We are even already rejecting some buyers,
Yeah.
late buyers, let's call like that.
Alright.
So the idea is to keep like that as a tradition. Of course, new people will come to the organization. We will keep the same pattern, like a five in organization, and maybe collaborators. I don't know if we will keep. It's something as a five we need to say. And for Afro vibes outside Vizag, I don't know. Because people from another state are coming here and we won't do like that. We won't make them feel like here there is also a good vibe in Vizag, and we Afro vibes are creating this good vibe. I don't know. It's something we need to talk in
It's
as
like
organization.
it's like an international student when he comes to India. He likes to travel to Delhi or to Manali or to Goa because of the things that they have there. They want to make the same here in Visakhapatnam. They need to come to Vizag because of Afro vibes.
You know,
That's the thing.
I really appreciate this idea, and I think it's very nice to keep the tradition. So even if you guys left, the juniors, the sub juniors, they will enjoy this party. That's the first point. The second point, people from another state will come to Vizag. From another cities, they will come to Vizag to enjoy this party. It's like you're gonna promote a bit Vizag also. So the Vizag people, you guys better support Afro vibes, because it's for us, it's for us in Vizag.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
All the international students, and I just want to say y'all all congratulations. You are building a brand. Keep it up, and I wish y'all all the best. You know what I'm saying? So if you have any last word to tell to my people, to tell to anyone, it's the moment.
the guy from Martin, please invite
Oh.
your people.
By the way, AfroVibes Fantasy Summer Pool Party is coming. We didn't announce the price and the date yet, but it will be announced soon. So stay prepared, prepare your fantasy because it's going down. You know what it is.
I'm gonna send you guys the bill. I'm gonna send you guys the bill for this.
The bill.
All right, thanks to y'all all for watching this video. I appreciate y'all all. Before you leave, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video. See you in the next Afro Vibes. You know what I'm saying?
This is not a party; it's an experience. So
Oh,
please
and
subscribe.
now we have a new logo. Don't forget. Make your dream come true in this party. It's a fantasy, right? Make your dream come true. Come, join us.
All right, guys. I'll be reading the comments. If y'all all want me to go there and to do a live stream, you know, so you're gonna feel the vibes even if you don't come this time. So maybe the next time you guys gonna come. Thank you for watching. Your African boy Wakilma Wakalma. I love y'all all.